In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change artwork for non-Steam games. If you've added a title to your Steam library that didn't come from the store and you want its visuals to match the rest of your collection, this guide will walk you through updating both the cover and the background quickly and cleanly. Start in Steam's desktop mode and open your library so you can see all your games. Locate the non-Steam game you want to customize. If you have a large library, the search bar helps you find it faster. When you see the game, click its name and choose Properties. A new window will appear with several sections on the left. Click Customization. This is where you control how the game looks in your library. In the Artwork area, you'll find options to change the cover and the background. To update the cover, click Change next to Cover. A file picker will open. Browse to the image saved on your computer, select it, and confirm. Steam immediately swaps in your new cover and you'll see it reflected in your library. For a clean professional look, choose a vertical image with enough resolution so it stays sharp in grid view. Common formats like JPG and PNG are ideal. Now update the background. Under Background, click Change, navigate to a wide, landscape-style image on your computer and select it. Backgrounds appear behind the game's details. So images with open space and minimal text tend to look best. As soon as you confirm, Steam applies it to the game's page. Here is no separate save button here. Once your images finish uploading, Steam automatically saves your changes. Close the Properties window and glance at the game in your library to see the new cover in place. Open the game's details to admire the refreshed background. If an image looks cropped or stretched, simply repeat the same steps and pick a different file with a more suitable aspect ratio until you are satisfied. A few quick tips as you choose artwork. Keep important details away from the edges so interface elements don't cover them. Use consistent styles across your games for a cohesive library and store your images in a dedicated folder so you can easily replace or update them later. Your changes will carry across library views, helping everything feel uniform. That's it. Thanks for watching.